Let's look at post-emergence herbicides. What are post-emergence herbicides? They are herbicides that are applied after the weeds have grown. That is, after the unwanted plant has sprouted. Unlike pre-emergence herbicides that are used before the weeds are grown, post-emergence herbicides focuses on weeds that you can physically see with your eyes. And why are they important? They're important because they control the weeds that compete with our plants for food, shelter, water, and space. And also, the use of post-emergence herbicides help farmers to have high yield and reduce labor costs. For example, an area of land, let's say 1 hectare of land, where may take 4 laborers 5 days to weed. Post-emergence herbicides can do that within 3 hours. And by the time you come back in few days, you will see that everything has been cleared. These post-emergence herbicides, they can either work as contact or work as systemic. What does contact imply? It is just that anywhere it touches, it kills. Systemic has to touch the plant, then translocates to the roots, then from the root it starts killing to the tip of the plant or to the tip of the weed, because the plants that we are talking about today are weeds. Now, because they have to be sprayed on the weeds, and because of the way systemic does, there should be water available because water is needed for translocation. And now when you have sprayed these things on your plants, whether they are selective or they are or whether they are selective or whether they are non-selective, it means that once you spray, you should make sure that what you are going to consume within a short interval are not being sprayed. Now let's look at selective and non-selective. During our pre-emergence class, we said that pre-emergence are selective. Now post-emergence can be selective or non-selective. What does it mean to be selective? It means that for a particular group of plants, that when you spray this post-emergence, that they will not kill them, but they can kill other ones. That means they are selective for this. And those that are not selective, they are just general broad spectrum. Spray them and they can kill everything. Just like when you want to start preparing your land for planting, use of chemicals that are like diquats, like glufosinate. These are the ones that can kill everything. Now let's look at how safely these things can be used because of the poisonous um, effects that they can cause to humans and to the environment. One of the advice I will give is ensure that you follow the instructions. So make sure you read what is written there. If it is said that you should use 20 ml in 15 liters of water, use it that way. Don't go and use 30 ml, don't go and use 40 ml. That could lead to chemical overdose. And also ensure that you wear protective clothing. The reason for wearing protective clothing is in case if these chemicals splash on you, it will not have direct effect with your body. Wear your nose mask, cover your mouth, wear goggle, because once they splash on you, you will not be able to ingest them immediately. So you have something that will shield. It will not enter your eyes and you'll not be able to inhale them, because some of these things they can cause different range of damages to the body.